up is where the ASIS is. We're going to set where this box edges is. Yeah? And then you're just going to, like kneel down and put your feet, especially your toe area, on top of it. And the feet needs to come into a V position, so it's externally rotated. And then lower yourself. Yes, like that, Esther. Yep. Yep. Lower yourself down. Perfect. Come up a little bit higher. Up, 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 up. Yep, up. Yep, like that. And bend your hip. Externally rotate. Like that. Yep. Interlace your fingers. But they're in a very, very soft interlace. Very soft. Very soft. Okay, from there, first, only chest extension. So this is your guideline, this is your, where only your chest comes up to. Inhale, come up. Push your head against your hand, your palm, and then draw in your scapula down as you come up. So your neck comes longer, not shorter, long neck. And slowly come down. So belly button shouldn't be touching the box. Inhale, come up. Belly button is not touching the box. And your forearm needs to be seen a little bit. Yep, and come down. Let's go 3. Inhale. Yep, like that. Long neck. And come down. Belly button in. And 4. More down, more down, more down, more down. Yes, abs, more abs, and down. 5. And come down. We're gonna do the same thing, but extend those legs, okay? Let's go. Extend the legs and do the same thing. Extend the legs and do the same thing at once. Reposition. Where is it? Where'd it go? Extending more. Hips, more. Your back, more. And slowly bend your knee and come down. Inhale, come up. Thoracic extension with hip extension and knee extension. Reposition of the feet. It's hard, it is hard. Push yourself up. More taller. And come down. You're doing great. Okay, let's go 3. Inhale, up. Up, 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 up. I want more extension of the knees, Esther. Where's those quads? Where are those quads? Quads has to be working as well. And come down. Great position. I want you to use a lot of here. Okay? Let's go. 5. Up. More here. More hips. I want more hips. Show me more hips. 3. Extend more. Your knee. Your knee. More. Hip extension. And come down. 3 more times. Esther, your neck. Your neck needs to be longer. 3 more times. Up. Up, 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 up. Not like this. Close up. But your chest needs to be up. And down. It has to be a rhythm. When you come up, your leg needs to be extended. When you come down, your leg needs to be bent right away. 2 more. Let's go. 2 more. Inhale, come up. Knee extension, full knee extension, reposition. Externally rotated, not those squeezing together. And come down. 1 more time. 1 last time. Last time. Let's go up. Inhale. Up, 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 up. Okay, stay here. Arms reach forward. Come up, come up, come up. Hold from there. 5, long neck. 4, overhead. Your arms over your ears. 2 and 1. Interlace those. And slowly come down. And bring yourself up to the side. Slowly come down to the side. Bring yourself up. And stand behind the bar. Let's do a rest position. Hands on top of the box, rest position.